And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car's running. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start. I'm going to be working on Kia Forte. It is suitable for 2019 through 2021 models. This product is 100% plug and play. You don't cut any wires, and it works with your original key. This product is designed for regular key start, and if you have a push button start system in your car, then we have a different video for you. But for this particular model, we'll be working with the traditional key. And now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're gonna get 2 sets of wires and a module. For this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. 1, 2 are down, 3 is up, 4 is down, and everything else is up. And for this installation, you're only gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. First things first, we're gonna pull the wheel towards you. And now we're gonna pop this panel. To do so, you could simply squeeze from both sides, left and right, with your fingers and get the panel up. And now we're gonna have 2 screws, one over here and then one on the left side. And some cars have a screw over here, which in this car we don't have, so we're gonna skip that. But if you have a screw over here, unscrew it. So now put the keys in the ignition and we're going to turn the wheel. Just like so. And now we're going to unscrew this screw. And now drop this leverage and we're going to pop this panel down. So take your time, don't rush with it. Be gentle. It gets a little stiff in some areas, so just nice and easy, pull it down. Just like so. And now we have the access to this connector. We're gonna press this pin and pull the connector out. Just like so. We're pressing this pin and pulling it out. And now we'll be connecting it to T-harness. The one side of the connector will go into your car's connector, just like that. Make sure it's all the way in and make sure it's nice and tight. And this side of the connector will go back into your key ignition plug. It's a little stiff, so make sure you put a little force to make it go in all the way. And now the other side of the connector, we're gonna run it right through here. Lift this panel up a little bit, create some room from underneath. Very important, we need to make sure that these connectors are all the way away from you. So this way you have room to put this panel back. Just like so. And now we have to run this connector through this panel. You could either put your hand and create a little room so you could put the connector inside of it, or you could remove the panel. But for this video, I'll just show you how it could be done without it. That's good enough. And now we're on the passenger side. We're gonna pop this panel. Just like that, and then pull it towards you. And now we're gonna pull the connector out. Here you go, make sure it's all the way out. And now we're going to be disconnecting these 2 connectors, black and gray. So all we're doing it, we're pressing this pin, wiggling around and pulling the connector out. That's one. And now this one, same thing. And now I'm going to be connecting it to my MyKey Premium T-harness. The two connectors we just unplugged, we're going to plug them into here, and these two connectors will go back into your car's module. Just like that, make sure it clicks. And this one as well. The gray one is further away from you, and the black one is going to be closer to you. The gray one is a little bit tight, so be gentle with it, but it will go in. Oh, here you go. Now you heard the click. Make sure it's all the way in. Even that at first it seemed like it was all the way in, but it wasn't. And if it's not all the way in, it will give you problems. So make sure it's all the way in, and make sure you hear the click. And now the last one. The black one, it's a little bit easier, so it goes in smoother. But again, make sure you hear the click. This way you know it's all the way in. And now we're going to be connecting my MyKey Premium module. Again, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. If it's not, make sure you're set it up correctly. And then connect the module. The data connector goes first, as always, and the power cable goes always last. And before you put everything back together, make sure everything works as it should. And if for some reason it doesn't work, unplug everything and install it again. Usually that does the trick. And after everything is tested, you could simply put the module in here and put the wires behind this carpet. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car is running. And once inside the car is still running. You put the keys in the ignition, press the brake, and you're good to go. And this is how the smart timer works. I'm gonna open the door, remove the keys from the ignition. The car is still running. The AC or heater is on. Lock the car. The car is locked, and the car will stay running for 20 minutes. To activate or deactivate this smart timer, you only have to do it once after the installation, and this is how you do it. You open the door and you press the unlock button 3 times with a little interval in between. You're gonna hear either 1 beep or 2 beeps in response. 1 beep means the function is off, and 2 beeps means the function is on. And if the function is on, make sure before you shut your car off, make sure the door is closed, and then you shut off the car. Otherwise, you're going to trigger the function. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Leave a comment down below if you use this video to install it in your Kia Forte. Thank you guys. Bye bye bye.